Hello, this is Tariq, and today I'm going to teach you Urdu basic sentences. Watch this video till end if you really want to learn Urdu. One more thing, you have to remember I will read Urdu 3 times and you have to imitate me. Okay? So let us start. First sentence. Don't move. Don't move. Now, how to say in Urdu, don't move. In Urdu, we say, hilo mat. Hilo mat. Repeat after me, hilo mat. Hillo, hilo mat. M-A-T, mat. Okay? But remember one thing, when we use don't or do not, in Urdu we say mat, mat, M-A-T, mat. Okay, so we say mat. Don't means mat. So whenever I use don't, so you have to use mat, M-A-T, mat. Okay, so don't move, hilo mat. Don't move, hilo mat. Hilo mat. Hilo mat. Okay, next, don't ask. Don't ask. How to say in Urdu? Pucho mat. Pucho mat. Pucho mat. Pucho mat. Don't ask. How to say in Urdu? Pucho mat. Third one, don't come here. Don't come here. How to say in Urdu? Repeat after me. Yahan mat aao. Yahan means here. Here means yahan. Don't mat. Aao, come. Ana ya aao. There are two Urdu. Ana, aao for come. Okay, so don't come here. Yahan mat aao. Don't come here. Yahan mat aao. If you go on structure how this sentence is made, so you will get confused because there are many structures in Urdu. Not learn structure, learn sentences. Okay, so do not worry about what is the structure and how this sentence is made. So not to worry about this. Okay, don't come here, yahan mat aao. First one, hilo mat. Second, pucho mat. Third, yahan mat aao. Now I will say in English and you will say Urdu. Don't move. Don't ask. Don't come here. Now, hilo mat. Pucho mat. Yahan mat aao. Now, next, don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. How to say in Urdu? Jhoot. Jhoot mean lie. Mat, don't. Bolo, tell. Okay, don't tell a lie. Jhoot mat bolo. Jhoot mat bolo. Don't tell a lie. Jhoot mat bolo. Repeat after me. Jhoot mat bolo. Why am I repeating again and again? Because I want to improve your pronunciation also. I'm not teaching you only Urdu. I'm also teaching you pronunciation, the correct pronunciation. You have to learn correct pronunciation. No matter how is your accent. Accent doesn't matter. The matter is pronunciation. So you have to improve your pronunciation, Urdu pronunciation. Okay, so jhoot mat bolo. झूठ मत बोलो. Next, don't forget. Don't forget. भूलो मत, भूलना मत. There are two ways to say this word. Don't forget. भूलो मत, भूलो मत, भूलो मत, भूलो मत. या फिर another way to say भूलना मत, भूलना मत, भूलो मत या भूलना मत. Don't forget. One question I want to ask from you. Please let me know what is your opinion about this question. What is the most important thing in life? What is the most important thing in life? First, love. Second, money. Third, family. And fourth, health. Let me repeat one more time. Question of the day. You have to answer this question. What is the most important thing in life? First, love. Second, money. Third, family. Fourth, health. Okay, so please answer this question under this video. Okay, now come to the lesson. Don't forget bhulo mat ya bhulna mat. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. Pareshan mat ho. Pareshan mat ho. Tension, pareshan. Mat ho. Don't take tension. There is no Urdu for take here. Here is no. When we say do not take tension, so we say pareshan mat ho. There is no Urdu for take here. Take mean lena. Take meaning lena. But there is no lena word in this Urdu. So you have to remember this. Don't take tension. It here is Urdu for only for two words, pareshan, tension, and mat ho. Don't take tension, pareshan mat ho. Okay. Next, don't take tea. Don't take tea. Don't take tea. How to say in Urdu? Chai mat pio. Chai mat pio. Chai mat pio. Chai mat pio. Okay. First, hilo mat. Second, pucho mat. Third, yahan mat aao. Fourth, झूठ मत बोलो. Fifth, भूलो मत और भूलना मत. Six, परेशान मत हो. Seven, चाय मत पियो. Okay, repeat after me. हिलो मत, पूछो मत, यहाँ मत आओ, यहाँ मत आओ. झूठ मत बोलो, भूलो मत या फिर भूलना मत. परेशान मत हो, चाय मत पियो. Next, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. It means हिचकिचाओ मत. हिचकिचाओ मत. It's really difficult to pronounce, I know, but you have to practice. You have to repeat again and again, again and again. You can convert this video into audio and you can listen again and again, again and again. हिचकिचाओ मत. हिचकिचाओ मत. हिचकिचाओ. Hitch ki chow. 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 Do you ever know chow? Oh, that's one. Hichkichao mat. Hichkichao mat. Hichkichao mat. Hichkichao mat. Okay. If you think you cannot pronounce this word, so not to worry about this. Forget this word. You just say hesitate. Don't hesitate. because mostly Urdu speaker or Hindi speaker use these sentences in English while they are speaking Urdu. Many Urdu speaker use these sentences in their Urdu language. So if you say don't hesitate, so they will not mind, okay? Next, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Daro mat. Daro mat. Afraid, darna. Afraid mean darna. And don't mat. Don't be afraid. Daro mat. Daro mat. Daro mat. Daro mat. One more time. Chai mat piyo. Don't take tea. Chai mat piyo. Don't hesitate. Hichkichao mat. Don't be afraid. Daro mat. Next, get some water. Get some water. Thoda pani lao. How to say in Urdu, get some water. Thoda, tho. Thoda pani lao. Thoda pani lao. Thoda pani lao. Get some water. Thoda pani lao. Get some water. Now it's time for revision. I will repeat one more time and you have to repeat after me. I will repeat all sentences one more time and you have to listen carefully, okay? First one, hilo mat. Don't move, hilo mat. Pucho mat. Yahan mat आओ. झूठ मत बोलो. भूलो मत, भूलना मत. परेशान मत हो. चाय मत पियो. हिचकिचाओ मत. डरो मत. थोड़ा पानी लाओ. Now it's time for golden words. And after golden words, I will give you 3 tips to improve your Urdu, okay? Something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. How can we say in Urdu? कुछ ना करने से करना बेहतर है. कुछ ना होने से होना बेहतर है. So if you think you are wasting your time, so you are not wasting your time. You are learning something. So it will help you in future. So don't waste your time. Do something because something is better than nothing, okay? So now 3 tips. Here are 3 tips. First tip, listening. Listen and repeat. How can we do this? Listen and repeat. You can listen any my lesson and repeat after me. So listen and repeat. This imitate is the good way to improve your Urdu. When you imitate a native speaker, it means you are learning something new. If you imitate anyone, it means you can learn anything. अगर आप किसी को कॉपी कर सकते हैं तो आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. Because this is the first step. If you cannot imitate, if you cannot copy, if you cannot repeat after me, so you will not learn Urdu properly. So the first thing, you have to listen Urdu and repeat again and again. When, for example, if I'm saying something in Urdu like idhar aao, idhar aao, can you say like this? Idhar aao. So this is the way to improve your Urdu. So you have to imitate. Whenever I speak Urdu, pause the video or pause the audio and repeat what did I say. If you repeat after me, if you imitate me, so you will improve a lot. Second tip, talk to a native speaker. How can I find a native speaker? एक सही उर्दू बोलने वाले से बात करें. Like you can find native speaker, Urdu native speaker everywhere. Indian, even if he is Indian, he can speak Urdu. Do you know Bollywood movies are in Urdu? Language is has been using in Bollywood movies. If you learn this language, you can understand Bollywood movies. Because Bollywood movies, there is not a Hindi, there is Urdu language, not Hindi language. Okay, there are some words of Hindi and there are some words of English, but they are using Urdu language. So if you watch any Bollywood movie, so it means you are learning something new in Urdu. So when you watch any video, any Bollywood movie, so you can repeat after him, her. Okay, so this is also a way to improve. But how can I find a native speaker? This is a main question. Pakistani and Indians are everywhere. You can make any friend, you can offer someone. If you want to learn English, so let's be a friend. I will teach you Urdu, I will teach you English, and you will teach me English. We can exchange our language. In this way you can improve your Urdu. But you have to make a friend, or you have to make a partner, not a life partner. I'm not talking about life partner, I'm talking about just language partner. Okay, so find a native speaker, whether he is Indian or Pakistani, it doesn't matter. Everyone can speak Urdu and Hindi if they are Pakistani or Hindu or Indians. Okay, so tip 1, listen and repeat. Second, talk to a native speaker, make a friend, and talk in Urdu and English, mixed language. Okay, and the third, the most important thing, watch Pakistani or Indian TV shows. It will help you to improve your Urdu. If you watch, Indian TV series, so maybe you will learn and you can improve your Urdu as well as. But there are some Hindi words, but many Pakistani use Hindi words in Urdu, so it doesn't matter, but it will improve your Urdu. So first, listen and repeat. Whenever you listen to me, you repeat after me, but don't repeat English. Okay, repeat Urdu only. Okay, and second one, talk to a native speaker and make a friend, maybe he will be your friend. And the third one, watch Urdu drama. You say English TV shows, we say Urdu drama. So you can search Urdu TV shows or Indian TV shows, then you can improve your Urdu also. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to www.youtube.com/learn Urdu English. If you want to watch more lesson, so go to www.youtube.com/learn Urdu English. And this is also my blog. I upload 2 videos every week. Share this video with your friends and thumbs up. Like this video and share this video with your friends. Hope you enjoy. Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Hasta la vista. Ciao.